So this is how I sanitize my classroom tables when I am done with my students for the day. So I take my awesome OnGuard All-Purpose spray, and this is a 16-ounce bottle. And I've already, you can see they're shiny. I've already just sprayed the tables. I just spray them down. And then I grab paper towels and I wipe off all the goopy germs, all that yucky stuff that's been collecting on them since the last group that I had. Because I wash my tables as an interventionist. I see lots of groups during the day. And so I wash my tables multiple times per day. And even though I wash them multiple times per day, and there is lots of cleaning that happens in my room, there's still, like, look at that, look at the grime on there. Ugh, so ridiculously gross. So lots of cleaning. The tables have been cleared. So then what I do to create that barrier of protection against all of the germs that tend to come in, I take, again, my OnGuard All-Purpose spray, and I just do a very light mist over the top of the table. Very light mist. The bottles that I give out at my classes do a super fine mist. Fine mist bottles are better. If you have a bottle like mine, it can sometimes give a little bit of a thicker, see all those little bubbles on there? It can sometimes give a little bit of a thicker coat, and so it can sometimes feel gummy the next day. Fine mist bottles are better. And you are going to just let that dry on there overnight. That gives you that 7 days of germ repelling power. It's awesome. Then the next thing I do is set up my pencils and markers to be sanitized, and I will show you how to do that next. Okay, so to sanitize pencils and markers, I lay out a double thickness of paper towels, so 2 sets of paper towels right on top of the other. And then I spray with my, again, awesome OnGuard All-Purpose spray. I spray and really soak the pencils. And then I just shake. It's kind of hard to do with one hand while I'm holding everything. I shake to coat. I just coat the pencils. Ideally, you don't touch them, but it's hard to do this with one hand. I coat the pencils. There we go. With the OnGuard Cleaner Concentrate, and then I just leave them to dry overnight. And that gives your pencils germ repelling power for 7 days. So you only have to do this, theoretically you only have to do this once a week. Because kids are Petrie dishes and elementary school classrooms are Petrie dishes, I like to do it, every other day, 2 times a week, especially during cold and flu season. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of how to use OnGuard All-Purpose Spray in your classroom to clean your tables and treat them to repel germs for 7 days. Feel free to leave a comment below, message me, or email me if you have any questions. Have a great day.